Lesson 19. Rules of Meem Saakinah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today's lesson is about rules of Meem Saakinah. So, what are the rules of Meem Saakinah and how do we pronounce it? This is what we will learn in this lesson, insha'Allah. Are you ready? Remember that the rules of al-waqf, stopping, are: the default ruling is that when we pause on any word, we stop with a sukoon, e.g.
نستعين.
If the word ends with a letter of mad, then we stop with mad, e.g.
والضحى.
If the word ends with a tanween of fath, then we stop with alif, e.g.
أفواجا.
If the word ends ta marbuta, then we stop by changing it to ha, e.g.
القارعة.
If the end of the word is a small waw or a small ya, we then stop on the letter before it and don't pronounce them, e.g.
وعدده. بيمينه.
And in this lesson, we will learn about the rules of Meem Saakinah. Let us start. The rules of Meem Saakinah. Meem Saakinah has 3 rules, and these are: number 1, al-idgham; number 2, al-ikhfa; number 3, al-idhar. Let's learn about these. Number 1, al-idgham. If a Meem Saakinah is followed by another Meem, we have to merge it with the other and bring in ghunnah with a length of 2 vowel counts, e.g.
أطعمهم من.
The sign of idgham in the Mus'haf is the first Meem being non-voweled, it doesn't have any symbol, and the second having a shadda on top, e.g.
لكم ما.
Now let us practice the rule of idgham. Listen and notice.
أنهم مبعوثون.
Do you notice that we don't read the first Meem, and we instead read the second with a shadda and ghunnah? Listen and repeat.
أنهم مبعوثون.
Listen and notice.
وآمنهم من.
Listen and repeat.
وآمنهم من.
Listen and notice.
عليهم مؤصدة.
Listen and repeat.
عليهم مؤصدة.
Number 2, al-ikhfa. If Meem Saakinah is followed by ba, we apply ghunnah on Meem with a length of 2 vowel counts, e.g.
ربهم بهم.
The sign of ikhfa in the Mus'haf is that the Meem is written without a vowel and ba doesn't have a shadda, e.g.
آمنتم به.
Now let us practice the rule of ikhfa. Listen and notice.
منهم بعد.
Do you notice that we read the first Meem with ghunnah and we also read ba after it? Listen and repeat.
منهم بعد.
Listen and notice.
هم بالساهرة.
Listen and repeat.
هم بالساهرة.
Listen and notice.
دخلتم بيوتا.
Listen and repeat.
دخلتم بيوتا.
Number 3. Al-Idhar. If Meem Saakinah is followed by any other letter besides Meem and Ba, we read it clearly. E.g.
ألم نشرح.
The sign of Al-Idhar in the Mus'haf is to write a sukoon on Meem. E.g.
هم عليها.
Now let us practice the rule of Idhar. Listen and notice.
هم أصحاب. أمهلهم رويدا. هم عنها. سمكها. نومكم سباتا. لهم جنات. هم فيه. أيديهم وما.
Do you notice that we read the first Meem without idgham or ikhfa? Listen and repeat.
هم أصحاب. أمهلهم رويدا. هم عنها. سمكها. نومكم سباتا. لهم جنات. هم فيه. أيديهم وما.
Try reading. Do you now know the answer to the questions? What are the rules of Meem Saakinah and how do we pronounce it? Repeat listening to the lesson until you are sure that you can answer the questions. See you in the next lesson, which will be about Tafkhim and Tarqiq. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.